I'm about to download and install the free VPN from Proton. Yes, they have a free VPN. Thanks to Mike Ungerman for letting me know that it does exist. I wasn't aware of it. Actually, I assumed since it's an add-on, it's probably part of the paid product. Again, assumption. Don't do it. Investigate. Don't assume anything. Thank you, Mike. And as you can see, my current plan is free. And yes, it includes a VPN with one connection. So let's go and take a look. Yeah, they have paid plans. Of course they do. How do you stay in business if you don't have people paying for it? But they do offer a free version. So let's go to downloads, and the Proton VPN client is available. Android, iOS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chromebook, and Android TV. But one connection. That's it. You can't connect it to more than one client. I'm going to install it on one of my Windows computers. So let's download it. And let's install it. You have to give it permission. Straightforward setup, no special stuff outside of being able to select a language if it's other than US English. You can change the installation folder, which I will not be doing. Anytime you change the installation folder, you could wind up with a problem if you want to remove that item. So it's always advantageous to remain with the default installation folder. Complete the setup, hit the finish button. Now I no longer need that. I no longer need the browser. You need to log into your Proton account. As I said, even a free one qualifies for this VPN. I'll do that and then we'll continue with the opening of the Proton VPN. I've logged into my account and Proton VPN has opened. The only change I made is I opted not to have this start when the system starts. I'll activate the VPN when I'm ready for it. I don't want it to be there when the system starts. Let's take a quick tour. Your system clock seems to be out of sync. Well, my clock is not out of sync. I just happen not to have it sync automatically. So let's not worry about that little item. One thing I noticed is that you have choices. You can connect through Japan, Netherlands, United States, and in the US. There are several connections. Appear to be several in Colorado, but you'll notice only some of these work with a default without having to upgrade. If you need any of the others specific connections, you have to pay for it. So the best option, I guess, is to use the Quick Connect, automatic connect to the server that will provide you with the fastest connection. Save your preferred settings and servers for future use. Lots of this will apply if you have the paid version. Since you don't have too many choices of where to connect in the free version, this may not be helpful if you're running the free version. Choose which country and server you would like to use for your end IP address. Adapt your VPN connections to your online activity with Proton VPN's special feature for optimal speed and privacy protection. And that ends the tour. So at this point, my choice is a quick connect. It's assigning an IP. And I've just been notified by the operating system that it's connected to US Free, and there's the information on it. And you also look at the speed here. And if you take a look at it, That's pretty darn slow. We all know that a VPN does slow the system down by somewhat, but that all depends on where the connection is. And I see very low connection speeds. All right, we've got this running. Let me open up a browser and see how that works. I've opened up a Chrome browser. I've gone to my YouTube channel. So let's see what happens when I go to play a video from the YouTube channel. Happened to Robert Johnson. Mystery written with the help of ChatGPT. Robert Johnson was a retired teacher who lived in a quiet neighborhood in the Midwest. Respected in the community and known for his kindness and generosity. One day he decided to take a walk in the park. That seems to be working fine. I don't see any delays, and I know I'm protected. So kudos to this VPN from Proton. Even the free version seems to be working fine. So I would not worry about where it says the speed up and down, because as you noticed when I played the video, no hesitation, no problems. If you have a Proton account, even if it's the free one, why not download and give it a test? Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.